OnePlus just unveiled a neat limited edition OnePlus Ace Pro. It is rebranded version of OnePlus 10T here. OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition. The sleek-looking phone features Hu Tao from the hugely popular game. There are a number of cool accessories that are bundled with the limited edition Ace Pro. These include a special back design, which looks great in my opinion, a sleek phone case, a phone theme based on Hu Tao, a special SIM eject tool that looks like the staff of Homa, and even an acrylic display box. Beyond the extra accessories and unique design, this version of the Ace Pro has the exact same specifications as the standard model. These include a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, 4800 mAh battery with support for 150 watts SuperVOOC fast charging, and even the same price tag. Other specifications of OnePlus Ace Pro Ginshen Impact Limited Edition include 6.7-inch 2412x1080 Fluid AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a triple camera system, 50-megapixel primary camera plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera plus 2-megapixel macro camera, a 16-megapixel selfie camera, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of internal storage. The OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition is available in China for 4,299 Chinese yuan, which comes up to about 49,000 rupees. Chances are it will not be sold outside of China, though parallel importers may bring in the unique phone to India. Like and tell me your opinion about this phone in the comments. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed to the channel. Thank you and peace out.